Here is a quick story. You write a query to exclude blocked customers from a report. It runs with no errors. And the report says 0 customers. Not 0 blocked customers, but no customers at all. Nothing's broken. The engine did exactly what you asked. The reason is one null sitting in a list you never looked at. And it's wiped out every single row. In this episode, I'll show you why. And the 2-second habit that stops it. This is the SQL NULL series. One bug per video. All of them are queries that run fine and report wrong. I'm Elisha, and this is Pipeline Patterns. Okay, one rule before I show you the bug. In SQL, a comparison doesn't just come back true or false. When null gets involved, there's a third answer, unknown. And here is the bit everyone forgets. Where doesn't keep false rows. Sure, you know that. But it doesn't keep unknown rows either. It keeps true and only true. It's the whole trick behind today's bug. Here is the setup. We have 3 customers, 1, 2, 3, and customer 2 is blocked. Look at the blocked lists. There is null in there. Bad import, unresolved ID, whatever. It's there and nobody's looking at it. So, quick gut check. What does this query return? You'd say 1 and 3, right? Everybody says 1 and 3 at first. But actually, we get 0 rows. Not 1 and 3, but nothing. And the problem isn't customer 2, of course. It's that null sitting quietly in the list. Let's take customer 1. Is 1 different from 2? Yep, true. But not in checks the whole list, including that null. Is 1 different from null? SQL can't say yes, can say no, so it says unknown. Now the whole thing is true and unknown, which is unknown. And what does where do with unknown? It drops it, and every customer hits that same null, so every row disappears. That's your empty report. No warning, no error, just nothing. The usual fix is to use not exists. Look at the difference in what you are actually asking. Not in asks, is this value different from everything in a list that might have unknowns in it? Not exists asks a cleaner question. Does a matching row exist? Yes or no? Null can't break that. Same data, and now you get 1 and 3. You can also just filter the nulls out of the subquery with is not null, and it works too. But honestly, make it a reflex. If the subquery can return null, and you usually can't prove it can't, don't reach for not in without carefully considering what nulls may break. So that's bug number 1. The query ran, the answer was still wrong. Null showed up, the comparison went unknown, and where threw the row away. Quietly. In the next video, we will discuss how your average might be lying to you. If this series is your kind of thing, subscribe. Know what the query means before you trust the results. See you in the next one.